Editing an existing component is an integral part of working on a project. This can be a revision of the component models, its parameters, or the list of suppliers. In the Components panel, select a component and right-click to select the Edit command. In the Component Editor window, click the menu next to the model and use Select Model. A window will open to select an existing model. Go to the Components, Model path, and select the appropriate one. To modify the model, click the Edit icon. The pop-up window offers options. Create copy. In this case, a new model will be created based on the existing model. The new model will replace the original model link when saved. Edit shared model. In this case, the connection to this component is saved and all components sharing the model will be affected as well. After saving, the changes take effect and are displayed in the editor window. Changes in the parameter section are made by double-clicking in the value column of the selected parameter. You can add a new parameter, a link to the manufacturer's website, or a datasheet using the Add button. Save changes to the component using the Save Current Documents as a new revision in Server button, or click Ctrl-Alt-S. When we save changes to the server, we create a new component revision. You can verify this by viewing the properties of a component on the schematic sheet. The out-of-date label indicates that the component revision should be updated. Changes are not automatically applied for placed components to ensure component changes are verified by the schematic team. Update the component with the Update to Latest Revision icon. The up-to-date status indicates that the project is using the latest component revision.